If you want to learn how efficient your code is, you can just import the time module and then measure the start time, time.time, and then after the lines of code, you can set the end time. And then we're going to measure the difference between the end and the start. So print end minus start. And then we can run the script. They go into window and then toggle system console. As you can see, it took 0.01 seconds. Okay, and then we can take a look at some examples to see why it's useful. So here we have a script where we add 100 cubes. And in this script, we add all of the different cubes individually using a for loop, as you can see. And when we take a look at the execution time, you can see that it took 0.18 seconds. And then we have a different script where we add the cubes using the array modifier. And when we run the script and go into the console, you can see that this is much faster.